So the first thing you want to do is you want to press the N mode button on your infotainment home screen. There are a few prerequisites to activating launch control. I'm going to list them on the screen. Just make sure you have these met before you try to activate it. Make sure you have the car in N mode or N custom, and you have to have electronic stability control either in sport mode or off. It'll work in either one. Obviously the car cannot be in parked or neutral or reverse. It needs to be in drive or in manual mode. So in the N mode menu, you have to hit performance options and then you'll be on the launch control screen. Now you have the option to change your RPM from 2000 all the way up to 3500 and 100 increments. So you have to align the steering wheel going forward and with both hands on it. You're going to need to depress the brake pedal very aggressively. And while you have the brake depressed, you're going to have to slam on the accelerator and then launch control will activate. Once you get launch control activated, on the dash you're going to see a little menu pops up that says launch control active. Once launch control is revving, all you have to do is let go of the brake and that's it.
Yeah, you really should have stolen the whole book because the warnings come after the spells.
You can just slam on the brake, hit the gas,